आज मैंने एक चीज़ नोटिस किया दैट हम अ, जब कभी भी डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री के बारे में बात करते हैं तो देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ रेजिस्टेंस इन पीपल व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री। आई एम श्योर उसका कोई ना कोई रीज़न तो डेफिनेटली होगा, लेकिन मी बीइंग पार्ट ऑफ द सेम इंडस्ट्री आई थॉट इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट समटाइम्स वी नीड टू टॉक अबाउट इट, दैट व्हाट दैट इंडस्ट्री इज़ ऑल अबाउट। अगर मैं डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग को अगर मैं देखूं तो हिस्टोरिकली अगर मैं देखूं तो 145 साल पुरानी इंडस्ट्री है ये, 145 ईयर्स। व्हेन इट स्टार्टेड इन यूएसए, इट स्टार्टेड इन आई थिंक व्हाट 1886 इन यूएसए। एंड जैसा हर बार होता है कि जब हम नॉर्मली हम यूएस को फॉलो करते हैं तो, और हमारे पास आते आते बहुत टाइम लग गया। द टाइम दिस रीच्ड इन इंडिया इट वाज 1995। बट नेवरदलेस आई थिंक पिछले 25 साल में इस इंडस्ट्री ने काफ़ी कुछ किया है, बट आई थिंक इट वुड हैव बीन डन फार मोर देन व्हाट इट हैज़ डन सो फार। इसमें गलतियां शायद लोगों की नहीं है, इसमें गलतियां कंपनीज़ की है और उनके लीडर्स की है, जिसने जो शायद जब इस हमारे देश में लोगों ने डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग करने की शुरुआत की तो उनकी ऑब्जेक्टिव बहुत छोटी थी और दे वर वेरी सेल्फ सेंट्रिक आई बिलीव। अदरवाइज दे वुड हैव स्टेड हियर बिकॉज वन ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट इंडस्ट्री इन द वर्ल्ड and it is still not in a position to take its own place in India. Now अगर आप US का देखेंगे, that almost close to 8% of the population is associated with direct marketing, और obviously इसमें females contribute the highest. If you ask me, I think it is almost close to 87-88% of the people who is associated with direct marketing is women, which is a huge opportunity. I think if that is done here in India, this can probably play a great role in women empowerment, because that will give you an earning opportunity. So of course by doing that you will be enhancing your growth as an economy. इंडिया में अगर मैं देखूं तो वी आर नॉट इवन 10% ऑफ यूएस। आर हमारे यहाँ पे अगर आप देखोगे तो लेस देन 1% ऑफ आर इंडियन पॉपुलेशन इज एसोसिएटेड विथ डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग इंडस्ट्री। इसमें दोष शायद लोगों का भी है, लोगों का मतलब हम जैसे लोगों का जिसने एनकरेज नहीं किया। आपको जानकर हैरानी होगी कि 74% ऑफ यूएस पॉपुलेशन दे बाई प्रोडक्ट्स फ्रॉम एमएलएम और डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग कंपनी। आप पूछेंगे कोई क्यों? देयर कैन बी मेनी रीजन। नाउ लुक एट इट दिस वे दैट इफ आई हैव टू बी बेटर और एट पार विथ द प्रोडक्ट विच इज़ अवेलेबल इन एनी अदर शेल्फ, आई नीड टू बी बेटर देन दैम। तो डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग कंपनी में क्या होता है, उनको ये चीज़ तो करना ही करना पड़ता है कि उनके प्रोडक्ट्स बेटर हों। So that's a good thing. So what happens as a consumer, as a consumer of that product is I get a better quality product, and pricing of course it has to be at par. तो आप प्राइस ज़्यादा पे नहीं करते, you pay probably reasonably almost same price or much lower than that, and at the same time you get a better quality product. So that's the strength of this kind of an industry, because you get a better product. Now इसका effect क्या होता है? There is a huge impact in the entire economy. Because you have so many people associated with it, you are empowering women, so you are actually supporting the economy. India being a very progressive country today and is one of the youngest country today, we have youth who would probably look for an earning opportunity. This can play a greatest role in providing an unemployment का जो issue है उसको to handle it. This can provide a great opportunity of employment, great earning opportunity to people who is looking for some kind of a job or an employment. At the same time you will be able to help women who is aspiring to do something better than what they are doing today. So that these are certain things which will definitely help, and by doing this you will be helping the economy too. तो हमारे इंडिया में क्या होगा? अब हमारे इंडिया में ये होगा कि नाउ आज के दिन में जब सरकार ये बोल रही है कि हमको स्वावलंबी होना चाहिए, वी नीड टू प्रमोट आवर इंडियन प्रोडक्ट्स एंड ऑल दैट, trust me, this can probably play a wonderful role. This will bring lot of small time manufacturers or small time companies produce products for the direct marketing companies, and these are certain things which will help entire country. One is you will be having manufacturers in India, will be having companies in India, will be when you are associated with the direct marketing company, you are buying a better quality product and not spending more than what you are spending today. सो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं जो बहुत बड़ी चीज़ हो जाएगी। और जहाँ तक आपको पता होगा, मैं आपको छोटा सा एक डेटा देता हूँ विच सेज कि इंडिया में द ग्रोथ अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर डायरेक्ट मार्केटिंग इज ह्यूज। दिस विल बिकम ऑलमोस्ट क्लोज टू 645 मिलियन रुपी मार्केट बाई 2025। सो अगले 5 साल में ये पूरा इंडस्ट्री चेंज होने वाला है। सो इट्स अ ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी। And now who can actually be part of it? Anybody can be part of it. Now the best part of this industry is, one is this gives you a flexibility that आपका कोई even if you are working somewhere, you can do this kind of an assignment. You do not have to invest. Now when I'm saying you don't have to invest, the direct marketing guideline itself says that if somebody is asking you to put in the money, that company, you need to be careful about that company. Even in past, when like if you actually look at history, there are many people who were part of direct marketing. Today they do not want to get associated because they had a bad experience. Now what was that bad experience? Many people came and gave a lot of commitments which they could not fulfill. So who was actually doing all this? The management and of course the leaders. So you need to get associated with the right kind of a company. So these are certain parameters which you should always check, whether you are getting associated with the company directly. Is the company established enough? How is the management? What is the kind of vision they have? What kind of asset they have? These are certain things which you need to check. At the same time, one thing which is very, very important, the products which they are actually promoting. These products is it a good quality product? Or is it manufactured by them? Because that's also very important. See, imagine that I am a businessman and I am buying products from 10 different vendors. I don't have a control. The time 5 vendors say ki, "Arey, I don't have a product." Now what will you do? He doesn't have anything in his control. But company which has their own production, which has a strength of their own manufacturing unit, will of course be far better. So these are certain things which will play a very important role in this industry. Now, am I saying that you should get into this industry? Of course, because look at the kind of growth this industry can bring in, and it can give an opportunity to generate passive income. When you say passive income, now look at this situation today also. There are many people who has lost their job. Many people will have a salary cut and all that. There are many who has opted for moratorium when they have an EMI. Why did they opted for it? Because they don't have even money to pay the EMIs. Now think that probably people have who has a EMI, probably who has worked for many years. Now you worked for many years, but you do not have a money to pay your EMI for 4, 5, 6 months also. That means you do not have a plan B ready with you. So do you need to have a plan B? Of course you need to have. Companies also, they have a plan B. Every organization has a plan B. So if the company has a plan B, why don't you have a plan B? You need to have it. So build something, get into something which can take care of your passive income. If you are in a problem or something, it can take care of your requirements. Probably somewhere where you do not have that kind of a time commitment. So direct marketing can play a very, very important role in your life. I know many people who has been successful. I got into direct marketing recently and I'm enjoying it. I'm quite happy, and I'm sure this can give me lot more, or probably it can fulfill lot of my dreams which I have, which is pending to achieve. So these are certain things very important. Now when it comes to certain concern, like many people who will come and say is a chain business, chain marketing hai. I think that's called direct marketing, because without a chain, without a network, without a distribution, how will you do business? It is with everybody. Even the data connection which you have, it's a network. Even the shop where you go, it's a network. It's a retail distributor, CNF agent, they're all distributors, so every business has a network. A lot of companies, look around, all of them have a network. This is also network. It's a direct marketing. So I think that's where the difference is. Hence you get a lot of benefits. I am part of Vestige Marketing Private Limited, and I have seen their history. I have looked at their asset. I have analyzed the product. I am trying their product. I am using their product. I am quite happy. Currently I am expanding my business all across the globe. Even I would be very happy to welcome people who wanted to do this business. anybody, even if you are a student, if you are a housewife, if you are into business, you are working somewhere, if you want to take it as a part-time opportunity, you can definitely do that. It has a huge opportunity. You do not have to commit anything, you do not have to invest anything out here. So these are certain positives of this company. The products what you use on a day-to-day basis. Now look at the lockdown. During lockdown, probably all of us are using essential category products. So this company has essential category products, some health related products, something which is to do with your health and wellness. So the entire category is their full category. Even they also have third party category which is more of a groceries and all that. But what I'm saying is this can actually add a lot of value to your career. You, like I said, you, everybody needs to have plan B. You also need to have a plan B. This can work as plan B for you. I will be happy to welcome you. If anybody want to get connected with me, you can get connected. I am sharing my number here. It is 9930468390. You can get connected. I think let's have a discussion. And I let me tell you that this is one of the wonderful industries where we should get in at this moment of time. Whether you are a student, you are a housewife, you are not working, you are a freelancer, or whoever it is. Capitalize on your capability, have your plan B ready, and we'll be happy to welcome to our team, which is Vestige Incredibles. Thank you very much. Have a great time.